morning, everybody. I always have to do a joke about hypnosis because when I speak to a group like this, whether it's a motivational speech or a corporate outing, it doesn't matter. People are afraid of me. They think I'm going to take over their minds and make them do weird things. Just imagine if I could do that. Yeah. Isolation is the #1 cause of stress and depression. Our society, Western society, is a society that is made of super achievers and super consumers and rugged individuals, and we are stressed and distressed and anxious. And so what's the solution? Well, people now, anthropologists, are looking back millennia. Tribes, Native Americans, Australian Aborigines, all over the globe. And what they're finding is that the tribes thrived because of community. Everything they did was about community. So individual children, when they were recognized for a singular talent, were nurtured, they were encouraged, their talents were developed so that they could thrive as individuals, but it was all about the greater good of the tribe. As individual and independent business people, I'm going to guess that you face isolation. I, for instance, when I'm in the clinic, I'm by myself all day. Just me and the clients all day long. Fortunately for me, I find myself extraordinary company. I talk to myself all the time. My wife who's here, she says, "Oh, you're going into SEM, self-entertainment mode," and I'll say, "Yeah, we're having a good time in here." My company's name is Create a Better You. Well, we're going to create not only a better you, but an irresistible you. What if you taught people not only how to be motivated, but what if you taught them how to be motivators? This is what it's all about. Understanding how and why we do what we do. What you are experiencing is only a representation of reality. So once you know how you work, and once you know what to look for, you're going to be able to know how somebody else is working. Remember, neither one of you are seeing the real world, but once you know what their representation of the world is, then you can interact with them in a very, very powerful way. Not using your model of the world, but theirs. And can you change? Absolutely. That is what I do.